Hello there. Today we will talk about the 4 ways of lean manufacturing. Transport, of course, applied to PPAPs. In lean manufacturing, the definition of transport as a waste is the movement of people, tools, inventory, or products more than the strictly necessary. Excessive movement can lead to product damage, defects, and unnecessary work. In the PPAP process, this is perhaps the most obvious of wastes. In digital terms, transport is associated with transferring documents from one system to another. This is, if you are transferring PPAP documents from your email to a shared drive or from your hard disk to a Dropbox, you are wasting time and resources. In this case, the solution is to have all your PPAP documentation centralized in one single point or system. If you have multiple systems, they should be linked via APIs, so the transfer of documents is automatic. In the physical realm, the waste of transport is more evident in the PPAP process when you must travel to the supplier premises to review the PPAP on site. While this gets the job done, it is also inefficient and expensive and should be the last resource to get a PPAP approved. There are several things that you can do to avoid it. First, you should have your expectations clarified previously using a PPAP checklist. Second, the feedback that you submit to your suppliers should be clear, should be documented, and should be easy to find. And third, you should rely on video conferences to convey feedback to your suppliers. But the most effective thing you can do is to create a relationship of trust with your suppliers. In this way, they will be open and willing to cooperate with you. Remember, waste is the enemy. Keep finding methods to eliminate waste in your PPAPs and APQPs. If you find this video useful, please share it with your colleagues. If you want to know more about PPAPs, follow us on LinkedIn or send us an email. Thank you.